Canada has welcomed many newcomers over the years. The present perfect tense is a great way to talk about experiences that happened in the past but are still relevant today. This tense is formed by using war have or nar hash, followed by the past participle of a verb. For example, we can say Emir Canada has welcomed immigrants from all over the world. This sentence tells us that Canada started welcoming immigrants in the past, and this practice continues today. Another example is Chassus. Many people from different countries have settled in Canada. This sentence shows us that people came to Canada in the past and are now living there. When talking about newcomers to Canada, we can also use the present perfect tense. For instance, Fredonier's many new immigrants have arrived in Canada this year. This sentence tells us that immigrants have continued to come to Canada recently. Furthermore, we can talk about the experiences of newcomers using the present perfect tense. For example, Nars many newcomers have found jobs and started new lives in Canada. This sentence shows us that newcomers have successfully established themselves in Canada. In addition, we can use the present perfect tense to talk about the changes that newcomers have brought to Canada. For instance, where newcomers have enriched Canada's culture with their traditions and languages. This sentence highlights the positive impact that newcomers have had on Canadian society. Overall, the present perfect tense is a useful tool for describing the ongoing experiences and contributions of newcomers to Canada. By using this tense, we can show how Canada has benefited from its diverse population and how newcomers have found a home in this welcoming country.